Let me show you a super simple drip irrigation system for your plants. First, start off with a 5-gallon bucket. Then I bought a kit that has all the connectors and on-off switch. Then I purchased the hosing, and then I purchased these half-gallon per hour little drippers. In my case here, I only needed 2 plants for this drip setup to go to, so I only have a 2-way splitter here. But you can hook up a 3-way, and then 2 or 3-way off of each of those, therefore going to a bunch of plants at one time. To connect this to the bucket, I just had to drill a hole for the perfect size for the insert. I put some silicone on the outside and on the inside of the bucket to keep it from leaking. To build this setup really quick, I just bought this kit that has the on-off and all the elbows, even hold down stakes, and has a lot of stuff in here that I can use for future irrigation. For the hose, I bought a 100-foot of 1/4-inch tubing. Now, of course, this right here might be a little more than you need, but I have several plants I plan on building this setup for, so that's what I got. And of course, you'll need a little compensating nozzles that'll do the actual dripping under the specific speed. And this, I believe, is a 50-pack, because again, I plan on having a bunch of these. If you are interested in any of these products, I'll put a link to them in the description, so make sure you check them out. Otherwise, let's get on with the test. Now, taking this bucket, and I've run those lines down to 2 buckets on the ground down here. We're gonna put some water in this bucket and then turn that on. Now, I've added 1 gallon of water into that, but this is a 5-gallon bucket, so it can hold a lot more. Next, I'm gonna turn on this switch, and we'll watch and see what happens down there. Now, it's a little bit hard to tell at this point, but this one is dripping slightly faster than this one. But overall, that's not too bad off. And the great thing about buying a large variety pack like this, if by chance one of them is a lot faster than the other, you can swap them out. And the great thing about this setup is there's no pressure. It's literally just gravity fed, and it's working really well. And remember, if you're interested in this setup, make sure to check out the description for links to these products.